Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to play another game of What Not to Flush, the game where we test your knowledge of what's flushable and what's not. Are you ready to play? Alrighty then. Item number 1, can you flush a diaper? No! Item number 2, wet wipes.
It literally says flushable on the box. Yeah, alright.
Dish rags. Rubber duckies. Prescription pills.
Have unused medication? Don't be a pain in the drain or rush to flush. Unused medication can be returned during a national take-back program or placed in medication disposal bags. For more information, visit emwd.org.
Household cleaners with toxic chemicals. Nope. Toilet paper. Congratulations, you've chosen correctly. You have won the grand prize. You are now sewer smart. EMWD thanks you for being sewer smart. EMWD, serving our community today and tomorrow.